I'm thankful for all of the employees of CTL Thompson. We're ultimately a people-driven business. We're only as good as the people we have, and we have great people.
Hey everyone, 2021's been a very tough year, a lot of challenges, a lot of unique challenges for us, but all of you have kept a positive attitude, from clients to coworkers to management. It's all been a great year. We appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Best part about Thanksgiving is getting together with family and friends and enjoying lots of food.
Spending it with family, that's usually we spend it with my wife's family who's in Denver, but this year my parents are coming to visit, so we're just gonna get everybody together and have a good time.
My favorite part about Thanksgiving is getting to get together with the relatives I haven't seen in a long time.
My favorite dish? I like that spiral ham.
Mashed potatoes and gravy.
My favorite thing is my mom's dressing that she makes.
Turkey. Some like it baked or fried, but you put it in a smoker for 6 hours and it'll make your Thanksgiving.